Ang itsura ng house namin, pinag-usapan namin nila yun eh. Nung nakita ko, parang sabi, wow, dito pa na tayo yung bahay. Tapos may bench pa kami, may fire escape. Bumisita sa kanila si JC Joseco, tinulungan lang sila.
Excited! Ha?
Tuloy na magbasa nung namin, mystery.
Pagdating mo daw may thriller pa.
Pag may inukok na yung maluluwa, yung kailangan mo na. Hinahanap ka naman. Power.
You can keep it.
Don't tell them you have it. Don't tell them you have it. Just be like, siyempre, hinahanap ka ba? Sabi ko, wala. Makapagamit ko yun in the future.
Dapat yun yung malakataan ka ng team.
Ay guys, bawal ang patong ng bag dito sa ano kasi, let me show you the coins.
Wow!
Nice.
Here, you can have your coins.
No, it's this for us, but I think we just need the leader.
Okay.
Okay?
Here, 7 coins. I don't know what this for, pero in my mind, I think maybe there is another person going to the Mystery Island, and then you can find more coins.
Wait, 2, 4, 6, 7.
We'll take care of it.
But pinili niya na itago na lang yung coins na yun kasi pambili niya. Kasi pwedeng may possibility na daw na magamit namin sa ibang challenge or pwedeng sa immunity.
Pwede mong i-save for future plans. So, naka-curious ako ano kaya yung future plans na yun.
As the other group told me, the girls have a line. They always cheat me. Oh, who's gonna vote out? Let's
Not think about it.
Yeah,
Like Karen told me that it's not talk about it.
Yeah, to vote out.
to win all the time.
Yes.
All the
And not talk about it. Who's going to vote out?
So, nice.
Yay!
Kung may kinakabahan ko, may baka hindi siya naniniwala sa alliance. Masyado siya mabait o ganito. So, kinakabahan ako sa kung titignan ko si RJ.
Ayun. Nakita niya, binigyan niya kay Ira. Tapos nagulat ako mo, katay, baka mag-alliance ka na ako si Ira, baka sumilsik sa doon.
Never both the two of us. That's where you discovered us in the team.
Erwin told me we have a line. Me, Eric, and Audrey. We are together.
I told him, okay, yeah, we put together forever. We keep also, we work out. No, I'm not gonna tell you that. Actually wants to work out if ever he leaves the weekend. He thinks the weekend is them. So, I'll follow what he will hope, diba?
Eric told me about the play. If he aren't asking us to vote out to Trisha, we go different way. We should vote out for Karen. I cannot trust in Karen, and I can trust Eric. I trust him. It's all the person first. And Aubrey, I pick because she good person, good heart.
Alright guys, here's the tree ngayon. May bisitang dadalaw sa inyong tribo para maghandog ng ilang regalo. Pero, ang mayor lamang ang makikinabang dito. Pero pwede siyang hingan ng biyaya. Pumayag lamang sa anumang kanyang ipagawa.
I hated that treatment. I don't want to be the leader, period. And I definitely don't want to be the one who says, oh, you can eat, but you can't. That just makes me look like a and of course that'll piss people off. Maybe they'll want to vote me out, even though it's not my choice.
may mga dalawang babae, they brought in food and peanut butter sandwich.
Huwag naman sana masyadong maginggit ng pagkain.
I didn't want this.
Oh, my dress! Oh, my dress!
Tawari ka.
I can only share with one person.
Oh, God.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Anong nasa po?
Well,
Anong nasa?
I'll pick Michelle since she was on the island by herself.
Bayas! Bayas!
Si Michelle naman talaga pipiliin niya. Bilang babae si Michelle, tapos syempre close sila, magjowa sila. Syempre unahin niya yung alam mo, unahin yung tao.
I have to ask you to do something if you want the fruit and the bread. And that is the helicopter.
Paano kasi peanut butter tsaka prutas, kaya lang isip ko kayanin po bang umikot-ikot ng ganun.
Kayo ni Jan, ay kayo ni Ian pag kasi okay lang kami.
Gagawin ko na pag alam kong kaya ko. Pipresent pa talaga ako, hindi ako mag-aalinlangan, no? Pagkain yan eh.
You have the peanut butter and all the fruits, Ian, it's okay, let's do this!
Kasi Ian na lang, go Ian, it's for you.
What do you helicopter? What the hell is a helicopter?
Kasi sobrang nagugutom ako. And I'm telling you, peanut butter is one of my favorite things in the world. I volunteered.
Almost!
Oh God, I'm gonna fall off.
Ian, it's okay, let's do this!
Done.
Yay!
Sit down. There you go.
Peanut butter and fruit!
Gawa naman ni Ian, hilong-hilo siya.
Okay.
It's all yours!
Tapos parang nakonsensya siya, lumayo siya sa amin para kainin yung prutas. Kasi kinakain namin lugaw lang.
So good.
So they bring this curry. Grabe, sarap. Sobrang sarap. Tapos may drink. Hindi ko alam kung anong drink siya, pero it had ice.
So, which one of the three of you want this?
To win this challenge, ang tri-mate, dapat magpatawa siya. Ano? Magpapatawa ako, dapat iiyan dapat yun
So yun ako, nag-volunteer na ako. Si Michelle ayaw niya.
Leche flan kasi paborito ko yun. Nagtaas ako kaagad ng kamay. Kahit hindi ko pa alam ang gagawin.
Lucky. Fourth and last. So this means everyone gets to eat. It's a roasted chicken. What Moy has to do, because Moy's the only one left, she's the only one who I will allow to take this challenge, has to jump around until I say I'm done.
Walang yan, may manok pa, oh. Sa'yo lang to, sa'yo lang.
Oh my God! Oh my God! That is so gross!
That's the one, right? It's this one.
Ay, grado na yung mura, pero God! Oh my God!
I make sure that we told him her to go further. Because usually, I said he walked in the water. Ano ba naman, di ba? Pumpu ka naman sa may water source na pinagkukuhanan ng tubig, iniinuman. Tapos nakita ko pa siya kung ano yung pinanghubis na, yun yung pinangdampot nagsuot niya ng cover ng water source. So, syempre sa water source namin, importante yun. Dito walang sabon, walang alcohol, walang hugas ng kamay, hugas ka sa beach. So, parang sa akin, respect naman, di ba?
Yak talaga. Eto I'm sorry. Nakakadiri siya. I'm sorry talaga. Yung mga nails namin, ang dudumi, katawan, hindi kami naliligo. Pero, kumbaga purang hygiene dito eh. Alam naman natin lahat yan, di ba? Walang ligo, walang toothbrush, nothing. Pero, my God naman, gaano ka kaburara, gaano ka kagamol, na pupupo ka, hindi ka man lang lumayo, hindi ka man lang gumamit ng shovel, hindi ka man lang, alam mo yun? My God, napakababoy. Wala akong maana. Unang ko, yung reaction ko talaga parang, I'm sorry, yun. Ganun yung reaction ko na, pupupo ka sa tabi ng lalagyanan ng tubig. Gaano ka kababoy, gaano ka kagamol. Marami. Experience namin yung ilan?
Mga 18 to 20.
Pakita mo.
Nakabuyan mo ng pupo mo. Ako hindi ko na tinignan sa ako ko kayo.
Sinabi sa akin, Aubrey, pinakita ko sa akin, nagulat ako, sabi ko, my God, ano ba yan? Ganyan, bakit ganyan? Sabi ko, sige, gigisingin ko.
Sinatsak. Kasi nga naiinis ako sa mga girls. TikTok ng TikTok. Manong sabihin na sa akin na Trisha, ito gawin mo, pwede mo matuto. Hindi mo magpapabog na chuchuchuchuchu. Ganun pala, pues.
Okay. Ang buong mundo ay yung CR. Pwede kang umihi kahit saan, pwede kang pumupo kahit saan. Pero sana naman may finesse ng konti. Napakagamo, napakababoy ni Trisha. Wala talaga akong masabi kay Trisha. Kumbaga, saludo ko sa'yo, sir, madam, kung ano man ang, kung ano ka man, kung hermaphrodite ka man o ano, hindi ko alam, pero my God, napakababoy ni Trisha.
Pero syempre, responsibility natin yun eh. Pare-pareho naman kami hirap sa ganun. Pero, nakakahiya rin naman pag napunaan ka.
Na hindi man na nag-dig. Ano ka, aso?